Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be introducing the best brightening products that you need for your skin. If you want your skin to brighten up, you want your skin to glow, then sit tight because this is the video for you. However, disclaimer, this product I'm about to introduce to you is in no way a bleaching product. It is a product that helps to brighten up your skin naturally and also helps to make your skin to glow. Yes, if you're looking for bleaching products for your skin, I'm sorry, this is not the video for you. You may as well want to click out. But if you don't want to bleach your skin, then this is a video for you. Please stay tuned, sit tight, grab yourself some drinks because I'm going to be showing you the product that you need in order to achieve that brighten and glowing skin tone, just like mine. Okay, I'll be introducing to you the EtiFrank Skincare product. This product was launched last year and it is currently over a year now. It was launched, helps to brighten up your skin, makes your skin to glow. It is tested and trusted. Like I said, it was launched last year after several studies and it's been tested on hundreds of people and it is trusted to deliver the job. Okay, so I'll be introducing to you some of the products that this brand has, which is actually my skincare brand, owned by me, made by me. The first on my list is the skin brightening black soap. This black soap helps to brighten up the skin. If you are the type that has discolored skin, you have dark patches on your skin and you want your skin to brighten up and glow, then this is the product for you. This is the soap you need. But if your skin is dull, maybe excessive exposure of your skin to sunlight makes your skin dull, which actually happened to me some years back, then this soap is also very good. It's going to help to brighten that up. Okay, the next product on my list is the creamy glow body scrub. This scrub is very mild, it's not harsh on the skin, and it is creamy just like the name implies. This scrub is very good because it helps to get rid of dead skin cells. In order for your other skincare products to work very well, then this scrub is a necessity. It is a must-have because it's going to help slow away the dead skin cells and help your product to penetrate into your skin. And note that it is advisable for you to always exfoliate your skin 3 times in a week or at least twice in a week. If 3 times in a week is too much for you, then ensure you exfoliate your skin twice in a week. Okay, and this is the scrub that you need for that because this scrub is so mild. I love the way it feels on the skin, and yes, it is not made with sugar, it's not made with salt, it is creamy, made with natural ingredients, I must tell you, and it doesn't irritate the skin in any way. Anybody that uses this scrub loves it so much, so this is also a must buy. Okay, a must have. Next product on my list is a sleek body lotion. This is the lotion you need for that light, brighten and uniform skin tone. Okay, I know when some of you hear the word bright or lightened skin tone, you are like, oh my god, it's going to bleach my skin, I don't want to be as fair as you are. No, this product is not going to make you as fair as I am. Even if you want to be as fair as I am, I'm sorry, I can't offer you products like that because I am naturally fair and my products aren't bleaching products, so you're not going to get my complexion. If you were not already fair before, then you're not going to get my complexion from this product. Okay, what this does is that it helps to brighten up your skin tone. If you were dark, like very dark, sometimes you are not really dark, it is just exposure to the environment, sunlight and all of that makes your skin to become hyperpigmented, makes your skin to become darker. Okay, if you want to know your real skin shade, just look at this part of your hand, and yes, this is where you will really know your skin tone, not this one, because this one gets exposed to the sun a lot. You can also check here. It's always also easier to know your skin tone from here. That is if you've not bleached your skin. Okay, using this product is going to actually help you achieve that your natural skin glow. The next on my list is the Lustrous Body Oil. If you are not using a body oil as a part of your skincare routine, then you are getting it wrong. What are you doing, girl? Skincare without body oil is a no-no for me. Body oil is very good on the skin, especially this one, because it helps to repair and nourish the skin. This also helps to firm up your skin, helps to renew your skin, and also helps to give you that luminous skin glow, okay, without bleaching, okay, without bleaching. If you just want to achieve that nice bright glowing complexion, firm skin, moisturized skin, no flaky skin, then you must get this body oil. It is a must have, okay? So this is not even optional at all. I'm not giving you any option when it comes to this body oil, because it is a must have. Next on my list is the moisturizing and brightening face cream. This face cream is a bestseller. This face cream is everybody's love. Like, people are in love with this face cream. It's so mild on the skin, it smells so nice, and yes, it helps to mildly brighten your skin, but it's not going to brighten any bleached skin, okay? So these are not all the product, but this is the brightening set. This is the brightening set. A dark person can also use it because it is not going to bleach the skin. It just helps to brighten and makes the skin to glow. So a light skin person can use it, dark skin person can use it, but just note that this product is not going to bleach your skin. Now, a little backstory on why I decided to go into skincare production and release my own skincare line. Okay, for those of you that have been following me for a long time, you know that I'm a natural remedy lover. Yes, I love natural remedies, especially when it is pertaining to the skin. That is because at a very young age, I noticed that I had freckles. I still have my freckles anyways. I wanted to get rid of them in the any way possible. I just wanted to get rid of the freckles that was on my face and just look like just have that flawless skin without any freckles on. Then I started researching on natural remedies that I can use. Of course, I decided to go the natural remedies route because I couldn't afford all the expensive stuff I was seeing. I was seeing laser treatment, using of expensive chemical peels and all of that, and I was like, oh no, I can't afford this. I don't have the finances to go into all of this. You know what, I'm just going to look for the natural remedies for me to get rid of these freckles. And then my journey started. I don't know why I ever embarked on that journey. Anyways, my journey started, and I'm glad that it started because it is what actually made me to research more about freckles, and I got to appreciate my freckles, and I don't want to take them off anymore because I now love it on me. I am very confident with it on me now than the way I was with it before. Like, before I wasn't even confident about it in any way. I just wanted this thing to go, but thank God it didn't go. Anyways, it didn't go, and I got to appreciate it the way it is. Later on, while I was in school, I was always exposed to sunlight. I was studying agriculture then and used to go to the farm, practicals, going to school, like without any sunscreen and all of that. My skin was constantly being exposed to sunlight and the harmful pollutants of the environment, which actually made my skin to become so dull and dirty. You know, when someone that is light skin looks dark, like not dark, like when someone that is light skin looks dull, you know, that dirty kind of look, because it is dull. Your original skin tone is not that color, because it's not even dark. If it is dark, it will be better, but it is kind of in between being brown, being reddish, being yellow, like everything just mixed together. That is what it was. So if I have a picture, I'm going to insert it here so you see. So that is what it was, and I started looking for products that I can use to help me with that skin tone, to help me bring back my original skin tone, and also help to make me glow and not look dull all the time. So I started looking, and I don't know if it's unfortunately or unluckily for me, I couldn't find anyone. Like, I will see a product work on someone and I'll be like, oh my gosh, I'm going to get this product because I just want my skin to return. I want to get back that natural glow, that my natural fairness. I need it. Okay, but then unluckily for me, it won't work. So I kept on moving from cream to cream. And one thing I want you to notice that I never ever attempted bleaching product. No, I never ever attempted to get a bleaching product because right from time I don't support bleaching, and I'm not going to sit down here and tell you to bleach your skin because the harmful effect of bleaching is bad. Trust me when I say it's bad, it's bad. I work in the skincare industry and I have a lot of people come to me with complaints, and you need to see what I see on a daily basis. Like, it is bad. The harmful effect of bleaching your skin is really bad. So I'm not going to sit down here and advise you to bleach your skin. So later on I took up a course. In the UK, and I started learning my formulation. That was 2 years ago. I took up a course and started learning, going deeper into organic skincare, and then I got to learn more about the skin, about products, natural product that works, and where they come from. Like, I know the source of all my natural all my actives that I use in my product, because I don't want to give you things that that is going to harm your skin or is going to destroy your skin or destroy your skin barrier. No, that is not what this product is going to do. That's not what this product is going to do for your skin. This product is actually going to help brighten and maintain your skin tone, like I told you earlier. Okay, I went deeper into it, and I also went ahead to attend and take I took other classes also in order to impact myself with enough knowledge. There is a lot to learn about the skin before you go ahead and release your product. So I know some people try to, like, I make my product, I make my lotion myself, I make my soap myself. Like, have you actually learned or studied it before you start making it yourself? Do you actually know what has to go into the soap we are making or the cream we are making? Or are you just pro-mixing? Are you just bringing A's product to mix with B's product, and then C's product, and D and E and F, and the list goes on? Is that what you are doing? Because you have to know the reason for every ingredient that you use in your product. Okay, so if you just bring up this and this, you are bringing up a whole different ingredient that's going to kind of clash, and the next thing that may happen to your skin may be disaster. So you don't want to continue with these harmful practices on your skin. Instead, get yourself a skin therapist, get yourself someone that is knowledgeable about what they do to actually help you out with your skin. Okay, so I know that was a lot of talk, all I just wanted to do here was introduce my skincare line to you, which is the Eti Frank Skincare brand. And yes, if you want to contact me, if you want to buy any of these products, send me a DM on Instagram on the handle I'll be leaving on the screen, EtiFrank Skincare. Send me a DM there, or you can send me a WhatsApp message on the number that is on the screen now.